In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quantity input field to your Wix site. Let's dive in and make sure your online store is set up just the way you want it. First things first, you'll need to ensure that you have the Wix Stores app installed on your site. This app is essential for managing your online store and its features. To check if you have it installed, simply visit the Wix App Market. If you don't see it there, you'll need to download and install it before proceeding. This app is key to unlocking a host of functionalities tailored for e-commerce, and it's vital for this process. Once that's sorted out, let's navigate to your product page. This is where customers will view details about the items you're selling. To get there, head over to your website's main interface. Look for the page menus, which is represented by an icon in the top left corner, often showing a stack of papers or a list. Click on that, and you'll see a menu drop-down. Here, you'll want to select Store Pages, which will then provide you with the option to click on Product Page. Now that we're on the product page, we need to enable the quantity input. Click on the main product area within this page. It could be any product displayed as your default item. Once you click, a smaller menu will pop up with several options. What we're interested in here is the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the next step. You'll find yourself in a settings panel, which holds a variety of customization options for your page. Within this panel, there's a tab titled Settings. It's crucial to navigate to this tab, since it contains the specific configuration options you'll need to adjust the display settings of your product information. Next, you're going to locate the section labeled What is Displayed. This is usually where you'd configure different attributes of the product, like the price, SKU, and more. You'll be presented with a list of options here, each accompanied by a checkbox. As you scan through these options, find where it says Quantity. Once you spot it, simply check the box next to it. By doing so, you're instructing your site to show the quantity field on your product pages, allowing customers to select the number of items they wish to purchase. This step is crucial for enhancing the shopping experience by enabling bulk buying or quantity selection directly from the page. Finally, it's always good to preview your changes. Click on the Preview button, usually located at the top of the editor interface, to see how this modification looks from a customer's perspective. This review is the last step to ensure everything is in place and functioning as planned. Once you're satisfied, you're all set to go. Your product page now includes a quantity input field. And there you have it. Your site is